Hi, William. Okay, I have your two watches in here. One is for service, and one you just want me to put it on my QT99 time grapher and adjust because you say it's not being accurate. So that's cool. I can do that for you. So I won't be servicing this. I'll literally just be putting it on the QT99. This is our servicing watch. That's a nice watch. Nice insert. A little bit of haze on the hour and minute hands. Yeah, that's the big thing. I don't know how that is going to clean up. I'll do my best on that. Because it had a little bit of moisture inside it, enough to wick onto the surface of the hands, but I don't see any corrosion, so hopefully that should be pretty clear. I've already loosened your case back. It did not want to come off. I had to lean on it. So I don't know how long it's been since this has been opened. Had some minor moisture sitting inside the case back. Yeah, it started rust jacking through past the seals. You can see it there. So this watch spent some time around some kind of water. One problem is normally I would test it at this point, but I'm out of these batteries. Though I have one of a smaller height that at the very least we could test the movement. Okay, I just popped the battery out. We had a battery leak. Yikes. Where is my stuff? Oh, it's there. Wow. Who made this battery? That's why we don't use Union Carbide. However, the watch is still running, so that's a blessing. Boy, this watch got lucky. Wow. I am not putting that battery back in there, so we know the watch is runner. I don't know what we're gonna find. Thankfully, it didn't really wick into the watch. And I'll get it all cleaned out. This watch got very lucky. Wow. Let me just, oh, and you got your washer in there. That's good news. Okay, there's that. So the watch is a runner. Let me test the mechanical operation of it. Well, I tell you though, look at the, doesn't have a lot of wear to it. French English day wheel. Looks like your day wheel is up a little bit and not it just looks like it's up higher than it should be, but I'll I'll look at that when I have that apart. Yeah, if I can get the hands clean, this watch will look like nothing happened. Okay, so I think that's pretty straightforward. Got to get batteries in for this, then go through and service that, and that's about it. Okay, you let me know, and yikes.